Hello and welcome to your NowSkills Software Developer Level 4 Apprenticeship. Throughout your time with us, you'll learn lots of the latest in-demand skills that will help you as you embark further into the field of software development.
Basically, you will cover the advanced programming concept with us. The advanced programming concept will be based on the C# and Java, one of the object-oriented programming language. So we will look at the advanced concepts such as files and streams. We will look at JDBC. We will look at desktop application, connecting the application with databases, and we also cover test-driven development using Java. JUnit, we will look into if you're doing C#, we will look at MS Test, test-driven development approach as well. We will look at Scrum. We will look at Kanban in detail. We will basically cover the agile frameworks in detail with you. We will implement it using Jira or Trello. We show how the project will be implemented. So we cover the software methodologies, concepts.
As one of our NowSkills learners, you'll follow a specialised learner journey which will provide you with structure and support throughout your apprenticeship. Furthermore, you'll also spend 80% of your time working for an employer for which you'll be paid at least the relevant national minimum wage. The other 20%, you'll receive training from our software developer tutors.
This level 4 course is an 18-month course. So during the 18 months, we will cover the trainings for the 2 knowledge modules, software methodology and programming. Our trainings are covered using workshops. So we do training throughout the program. So I will do a monthly progress review, 1-to-1 sessions with the learner at your workplace, which normally lasts for 2 hours. During that visit, we basically look into producing portfolio work. So we will try to gather up evidences for portfolio and represent them in the form of case studies. So the case studies will represent project that you are doing at the workplace. So portfolio work need to come from your workplace, or the projects that you are doing, you need to showcase them within your portfolio.
Once the portfolio is complete, then will come the time for you to take the required examinations.
So there is 2 exams that you need to sit. One will be a vendor qualification and the other will be a knowledge module that you have chosen. It can be knowledge module 1 and knowledge module 2 and the vendor qualification of your choice. After you have done the examination, your portfolio, employer references completed, we will go into endpoint assessment. The endpoint assessment is covered in the last 4 months of the apprenticeship, and in the endpoint assessment you need to do a Synoptic Project.
The Synoptic Project involves choosing a software development scenario from some set options and then completing it using your own knowledge and skills in a controlled environment.
There are different list of projects that you can choose from. The Synoptic Project, you cannot get support from the tutor, you cannot get the support from the employer. You have to do the Synoptic Project yourself. So after the Synoptic Project, you will have an interview with the City and Guilds examiner. That interview will fully prepare you for it before you sit the interview.
All of these assessments may seem daunting, but we can assure you that you'll be supported and given guidance throughout. Furthermore, once they're all completed, NowSkills will be there to give you advice as you decide on your next steps.
After doing the level 4, most of my learners will say, what is the next step? So sometime, luckily, the learner will get a job within the organization that they are working with, or they can basically apply for a university as well. So the course of their own choice, if they want to go into particular field, so such as they want to cover the computer science and they want to go to the hardware side as well, they can choose that as well. But I am there to provide you support and the guidance that is needed.
With this in mind, we at NowSkills want you to make the most of your apprenticeship so that when the time comes to take the next step, you'll be ready.